Hello, what's up guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video today I'm going to be showing you how to use your rectangle tool on your TradingView. So right now I'll be using any currency pair or any crypto pair, for example. So right now let me use USD card. So once I make my charts bigger, so now this is USD card and this is my TradingView. Now how do I use my rectangle and where can I find my rectangle tool? So right here on your TradingView, you just click right here. Once you click on it, you come down, you can see rectangle right here. You can see our rectangle tool right there. So once I click on it, you can see rectangle tools is used in marking where you want to enter a trade. I'm not showing you how to enter a trade, I'm just telling you the use of rectangle tools and how to use them on your TradingView. So right now I want to mark my tool right here. You can see I've marked it, so I can go ahead and expand it if I want to. So you can see I've marked my rectangle tool right here. Now how do you add it to your favorite so it will be easier for you to find? So you click on this pencil tool right here again. You click on this pencil tool. Once you click on it on your rectangle tool right here, if you want to add it to your favorite, you tap and hold. You can see mine has already been added to my favorite. That's why they are showing remove from favorites right here. Once I tap and hold, you can see they are showing remove from favorite because I've already added it to my favorite. So if you have not added yours, once you tap on it and hold, they are going to say add to your favorite, and then you can add to your favorite. Once you go to your tools, you can see they will line up right here. Any tool you added to your favorite will be first here. So this is the simplest way on how to use rectangle tools on your TradingView. I hope you find this video helpful. Please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, turn on that notification button. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.